this board here. It was over here, and he just moved it here, and then he attached the thing there, and we've been testing it here. So Adrian had said it's not going up as much as it should, so we're making the adjustments. So this bar got bent here, so I don't know if that still even works or what. They do sell them at Home Depot, I think. So I think he got it working with very little extra material. All we did was buy 2 bolts for less than $1. So it's I think he's a genius, because I don't know if anybody else would have thought of that.